Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, here in this class, I'm just taking the second step of this beautiful website. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make the page which will open when we click on any item. For example, if we just click on this item or any item, then the page will open with the complete detail of these items. Then I'm just going to make that page. So I'm just going to the browser, to the notepad, and here I'm just making the page. First of all, I just need to design the page, the basic structure of HTML. Then I'll just design the complete page. But for now, what I'm just doing, I'm just simply here renaming the page detail page, or I can say the product.php. Okay, this will be the product page where we'll get the details of the product. So first of all, I'm just going to do some more things. For example, there is a menu area. This is a menu area, and that is a menu, and this is the menu. So both should be in the include file, so we just don't need to type both of them again and again. We'll just get their include files. So by the way, I'm just setting the simple HTML. You can see that what I'm just doing, and just going inside the HTML, and here the head tag, I'm just opening head. Go inside and type the body area, and go to the head area. Go inside the head in the title area, and go inside the title, between the title tag, and I'm just typing here product detail. When I'll just make this website dynamic, then you will see that all these things will be updated dynamically. But right now, because we're not playing in a dynamic mode, so this is normal. So I'm just going to the browser with profile. I'm just going to the Includable PHP, and here this one, the beautiful watch. A tag, cover that in here. Right now I'm adding the product.php. Now save it. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that the beautiful watch, when I just click on this page, the beautiful watch, then I'm getting nothing, because that page has nothing, the watch page, the actually the product.php page. But you can see that here it's titled the product detail. That means we are just on a right page. So now I can add the other things, but the second and the main important thing is the navigation area. So now I'm just going to make the include area. I'm just going to the folder area where all my project is saved. Here I'm just making a new folder name includes. Go inside, and here I just need to make a file. I'm just going to the notepad, and here I'm just making the include file. I'm just going to the includes folder, and here I'm just making the first file as header.php. Okay, now what I'm just gonna do is, in the second step, I'm just cutting this complete navigation area. Just cut the navigation, paste the navigation inside the hero.php, save it. Now there is no navigation because I just actually cut the navigation. So what I'm gonna do, because this is a PHP, so I can use the PHP here. Otherwise I will have to use the iframe, but exactly we just cannot work in an HTML format. We just need the PHP. So by the way, the include, and here I'm just adding includes slash header.php. Now save it. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. Now okay, I just need to go back, and now you can see that I'm just getting the online shopping, sorry, the title, the navigation area. That means it has been included completely. For example, if I just type headers.php, then go to the browser and refresh. Now I'm not getting the header, but I'm getting the error that no such file or directory like the headers.php, because the file name is header.php. So now we are just going in a perfect manner, the header.php. Save that and go to the browser and refresh the page again. Now you can see that the header, that means we just included the file in a perfect format. The second thing which I'm just going to include is the footer area. So now let's just make a new file. Just simply cut that footer, or just copy for now. Okay, I just don't want to make you confused, so I'm just cutting, just copying, and just going to the includes folder, and this file is the footer.php. Now save the file, and now because this is a footer.php, so I just need to go to the index.php and removing the footer, and instead of the footer I'm just opening the PHP tags. You know what I'm gonna do, really simple. The include, the file name includes slash footer.php, save, and now go to the browser, and here refresh the page. Now you can see that we're still getting the footer. That means it's actually working perfectly. So what more we just need to do, I'm just going to the product.php. So because we are in the product.php, I'm just going to add the php again. I'm just going to paste the footer, the header first, include, then includes slash header dot php. Now save, and now I'm just going inside and just making a div here, the class of container. Then a lot of things will be inside the container, but just after the container, I'm just going to make the second included file. I'm just going to include the second file. It need to be include, yeah, the include slash footer dot php. Now save, and now I just need to go to the browser back and refresh the page. Now I just need to click on a beautiful flash. Now you can see that basically I'm getting the online shopping, the home, and etc. All these things are here, but actually an issue that we just didn't add the style.css and the bootstrap files. So I'm just going there, and after the title I'm just making the linking relation style sheet. Save, and now go there and add in space and hyperreference, and here the style.css in a product.php. Then I'm just going to add the bootstrap relation style sheet hyperreference, cover that. Now I'm just going to add the bootstrap.css. Now press enter, the script. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm just gonna add this src, and here the js slash bootstrap.js. But before the bootstrap, we have to add the jquery as well, the jquery. Now the second important thing, we just need to add the css slash style, slash bootstrap.php, because these files are coming from the from the bootstrap, from the css folder. Well, we just didn't add the jquery.js file yet, but this is important. I'll just add the bootstrap, the jquery.js file soon. Meanwhile, I'm adding here the second script tag, which should be the main one, script. Now here we are not using the jquery file for now, or the bootstrap.js file, but this is necessary. Okay, I'm adding that file. We just need to download the file. We can download that later. Right now I'm just simply adding the link. Now save, and now I just need to go to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that this is the product.php page, which is actually which has got the header, the footer perfectly. Now we just need to add the internal area, and I'm going to design that, which is not a big deal. So I just need to go to the product.php, and this is the container area. So what is the thing we need here? We just need to decide that which format we want for our project. For basically the product.php page, I'm just going to show a big picture of the big image, where we can also add the slider as well, whatever you want, but I'm going to add the picture for now. A big picture, the complete details of the product, means you can say the reviews, the details, the description, whatever you want to add. And in one side, the product shipment details, the price, and a form where the user is able to put the form, fill the form, and to submit the application to buy, submit the request actually to buy the product. So, or you can generally say that the order form. So guys, we'll do all these things in the next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.